Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online business with Etsy, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your online business with Etsy, start by creating a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your Etsy account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regularly update your password to keep your account secure. Now, let's focus on your account information. Ensure that your email address is verified to receive important notifications. Keep your personal information private and only share what is necessary. Use a dedicated business email to separate personal and professional communications. Next, review Etsy's shop policies thoroughly. Ensure your shop policies cover returns, shipping, and payment methods. Clear policies help establish trust with your customers. It's also essential to secure your payment methods. Use secure payment options provided by Etsy, such as Etsy Payments. Avoid sharing sensitive financial information outside the platform. To further enhance security, monitor your shop activity regularly. Check for any unusual transactions or messages that could indicate a security breach. Enable account alerts to notify you of any changes made to your shop. Consider using Etsy seller tools, such as Analytics. These tools can help track your sales and identify unusual patterns. Stay informed about any updates or security changes that Etsy may implement. Lastly, educate yourself about online scams and phishing attempts. Be cautious of unsolicited messages requesting personal or financial information. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's resources on security best practices. By following these steps, you can create a secure online business on Etsy. Implementing these strategies will help protect your shop and your customers. Stay proactive in maintaining your shop's security as you grow your business on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.